Another week, another dollar. Today is Sunday, August 23rd, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1. Focus this week will be fixated on the Federal Reserve, which holds its annual Jackson Hole Symposium. The highlight is expected to take place on Thursday morning when Fed Chair Jay Powell speaks at around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Fed chiefs have in the past used their keynote speech at Jackson Hole to signal important shifts in monetary policy or the economic outlook. A major question, particularly ahead of the Fed's September meeting, is whether the central bank will shift its inflation target to an average, which would essentially allow inflation to run higher before interest rates are raised. So be on the lookout for any market-moving headlines on Thursday morning ahead of the open. On to number 2. Politics is expected to become a bigger focus for the markets this week as the Republican National Convention gets underway on Monday. The event is expected to culminate in a live acceptance speech from President Donald Trump on Thursday night on the South Lawn of the White House. The Democratic Party held its national convention last week, formally nominating former Vice President Joe Biden. Biden leads President Trump in the polls by an average of about 7 percentage points as of right now. So be on the lookout for any headlines coming out of that speech as well on Monday night. On to number 3. On the data front, the U.S. will see a relatively quiet week in terms of economic releases, with the second reading on U.S. second quarter GDP expected to draw the most attention. The report is due on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time and is expected to show that the economy shrank by 32.6%. A slight improvement from the preliminary estimate of a contraction of 32.9%, which was the worst on record. On to number 4. The other closely watched economic report this week will be initial jobless claims, also due on Thursday morning. After topping the 1 million mark once again last week, this week's data is expected to show that 925,000 Americans likely applied for unemployment benefits last week. Durable goods orders, consumer confidence, personal spending, as well as new and pending home sales are also on the agenda in the days ahead. You can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. And finally, number 5, retailers are among the companies reporting earnings in the week ahead as the second quarter reporting season winds down. Best Buy, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Nordstrom, and Burlington stores are some of the names reporting. Other notable names reporting results this week include Salesforce, HP, Workday, Autodesk, and Palo Alto Networks. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest releases. That's it for me. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good week, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.